Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this toothpaste. This is the Crest Complete Extra Whitening Plus Scope toothpaste. In this video, I'll be reviewing it and showing you how to use it. Now, just for full disclosure, this is pretty much my favorite toothpaste at the time of making this video. I sort of go between toothpastes and I'll use each one for a couple of months and I'll try them out. At the time of making this video, this is definitely my favorite go-to toothpaste to use for brushing my teeth. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it says Crest Complete Extra Whitening Plus Scope. So it has the scope in it for the extra whitening and freshness, okay? Now, this is the box that it came in, just to show you exactly what it came in. I bought this, I believe, as a 3-pack when it was on sale. I think it came with 3 of them in total. And these 3 big tubes last a long time in my household. As you can see right here, very similar packaging, what you see here to what you see on the toothpaste tube. And I like the way that is. It's very simple and easy to understand. 170 milliliters, so it's a nice big tube. If I take off the cap, you can see the coloration inside. So I like that coloration because you get a little bit of both colors. You get that greeny kind of white, and then you get the greeny kind of clear. It makes it look awesome. Now, here's how to use it. Here's how I use it, at least. I just put a little bit on the toothbrush, as you can see right here. You don't need a lot. That's what I like about this toothpaste. It saves you money because you don't need to load up your toothbrush to get the full effect of it. So as you can see, I put I think we call it like a pea-sized droplet of toothpaste on the toothbrush. And what we're gonna do is, I already wet my toothbrush with the water and my mouth is pretty much already wet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the toothbrush and I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and show you how it foams up in the mouth. Just like this. So I start off like that. Brush my teeth like that. And the good thing is that already I can taste the scope, the freshness, and it really just allows you to get your mouth feeling fresh, okay? Now, what I do is I brush my tongue as well. And what that does, I just had coffee, so my tongue might be a little bit brown because I just finished drinking my coffee. But when I brush my tongue, what that does is that freshens the breath as well. And even after just having coffee right now, when I brush my tongue and I brush my teeth with the toothpaste, it just allows it to feel fresh. And you can see that it's foaming up quite a bit, even with only that little bit of toothpaste. It's foaming up quite a bit. Now, I already brushed my teeth this morning, so this is just for the purposes of making this video. So if I was really brushing my teeth for the morning, let's say, I would brush for another probably 2 minutes or so. But just because this is just for demonstration, I'm gonna probably stop right here and tell you that I really like the toothpaste. It leaves my mouth feeling fresh, really easy to use, and you don't need that much of it. So I like it because I'm pretty frugal with my money. So buying less toothpaste because I can use less of it is something in my books that I'm happy about. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.